Yo, what it do, Stunt fam? What it do, man? Welcome back to another vlog, man. Check it out, man. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna show y'all how to pull a nail out of the tire and patch it. You feel me? So yeah, man, my girl caught a nail. It didn't go completely flat, but y'all can see the nail right there. Inside the car, you see it said check tire pressures, and this is why. Y'all see that's caught a nail, man. So this is all you need right here, man. You got the little tire thing. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jack it up. I'm gonna take the wheel off. Whoa, pause, that was kind of crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna put the jack, you feel me, lift the car and take the wheel off, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to patch that bit. So let's go. All right, so to get it jacked up, well, look, if you got the jack, it tells you where to put it also. You feel me? But you just find the little reinforced part, the little metal part right here, and you just jack that bit up. Feel me? Get it lifted off the ground a little bit. Then you can take the tire off. It's a quick DIY, y'all boys. Do it yourself. They say before you jack it up, you want to break all of the things loose. You feel me? You want to go ahead and knock all these loose first before you pick it off the ground. There you go. So like that there. And I always do it cross pattern. Yes, sir. My brother got the big jack in his truck. I would already had it lifted and had the tire off by now. The big jack, you just come in, gets it up real quick. But this could do it the job too. This is the jack that comes in the trunk right by the spare. You just take the tire right off. Oops. Take that off for now. Alrighty. So y'all see the goddamn nail. It's unreal. Y'all can see. Alright, so now we're gonna pull the nail out. Oh wow, look at that little baby one. Little baby nail got me, man. It's crazy. So after you get the nail out, man, then you gotta come through with this tool here. So, you feel me, get it cleared out. Feel me? I should have let the air out from the jump. But we ain't worried about the air because I'm gonna refill that. So now you come through with this tool and this right here. This right here will plug it. You get it like this here, get it through like that there. Now this we gonna come through and push this right in there. Well, just like that. Y'all see that? Just like that. Alright, it's about to get loud, y'all. There you go. It's pumped up. Should be good. Now I'm gonna slap it on. And that's it, y'all boys. I'll make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, it's the easy part, y'all boys. You just put this on back on now. Just like that, y'all boys. That's how you repair a tire on a car. It's the same concept on a bike, whatever, you feel me? As long as it doesn't have a tube. But yeah, man, if y'all watch this far, man, I appreciate y'all, man. So y'all go ahead, y'all hit the like button, subscribe. You're new to the channel, man, you know what to do, man. Turn on the post notifications, man. Join the Stunt Fam, man, and go over to Instagram and follow my brand page at Top Shotter Brand. Number 4, man. Merch on the way, man. Psych. Y'all thought that was the end of the vlog, man. Now get these pedal bike blocks, man. Y'all stop playing with me. I got that funk in my ear too. And I got me a nice little rhythm going though. Now I just gotta work on feathering the brake and not jamming it. You feel me? Just tapping that bit. Whew. We back at it. Let's go. Top frame. Yeah, thank you for here. I'm about to get saucy, boy. Reap, boy, I'm on you, boy. I'm on you, boy.
I'm sorry, can you stop breathing so loud, honey? He's like, breathe quietly. Do you hear yourself breathing?
Don't worry, buddy. You're doing fine. I won't let you blow this.
Oh, that was it. Whew. I'm done. That's it, y'all boys. Cutting it short. Got it in, got a nice little sweat in. About to take a shower, wash my hair, and get my hair done, y'all boys. So I'll get up with y'all later.